100 Birch is entirely planned. Something is being moved in the house by which the person responsible for Birch is going to get away by paying money. No punishment now. It is going to be in terms of money. So everything, there is a cover up when it comes to Birch. Birch and CZMP तो जागो खजान जो आशिल्लो सॉल्ट पॅन जे आशिल्ले ते CZMP 2011 स्पेसिफिकली काडलें आनी ताजेर तो बिल्डींग आयली ते येवंकूच शकना तो CZMP 2011 इन्वेस्टिगेशन सुरवात जावपाक जाय द स्कॅम इज देयर सरपंचाच्या हातांत सरपंच इज जस्ट स्केपगोट कोण सरपंचाक कितलो पावर आसता तुका दिसता हेजी व्हडली वस्त जाली विदाउट एनी गव्हर्मेंट बींग इनवॉल्व वॉट वॉज हॅपनिंग टू द फायर वॉट इज हॅपनिंग टू एक्सायज वॉट इज हॅपनिंग टू होम दॅट इज अंडर सरपंच कितें उलयता ते
तो अजून मेळना खंय तरी पॉलिटिकल इन्फ्लुएन्स आहा तेका खंय तरी दवरपाचो बीन असो
पुलिसाच्या बरोबर आसतलो तो खंय तरी आनी कितें सांगतलो
So 52 more names have been came on your Birch tragedy. The complaint has been registered on 52 more.
I'm not aware of the actual details of who against whom the cases have been registered. But factually, if you go to see the situation, it appears that there is a cover-up. Not only outside the house, even in the house, certain things have been moved. A bill has been moved, which when it comes, you will come to know what it is.